At Bayer, we care for farmers worldwide, ensuring safety, sustainability, and trust in the entire process of farming. Using the right personal protective equipment, PPE, ensures safe handling of pesticides, protects health, and builds lasting trust in safe farming practices. What are the key PPE components? The PPE requirements found on pesticide labels depend on the pesticide's risk assessment and the pesticide activity being followed. Essential PPE includes gloves. Chemical-resistant gloves help to protect hands. Goggles or face shields help to safeguard eyes from splashes and mist. Respirators and masks prevent the accidental inhalation of aerosols and vapors. Long-sleeved clothing ensures full skin coverage. Waterproof boots prevent contamination. Inspect your PPE. Check PPE for damage and proper fit. Replace worn items immediately. Steps for putting on PPE. 1. Begin with gloves. Make sure they fit well. 2. Secure your goggles or face shield to prevent any gaps. 3. Fit your respirator or mask tightly to ensure a proper seal. 4. Wear a long-sleeved shirt and pants, making sure the sleeves overlap your gloves. 5. Waterproof boots. Make sure pant legs fully cover boot openings to prevent spills from reaching feet and avoid carrying pesticide into other areas. What steps should you follow for proper PPE removal? 1. Gloves. Remove inside out without touching skin. Dispose properly. 2. Goggles or face shield. Handle only by straps. Avoid front surface. 3. Protective clothing. Unzip carefully, turn inside out, and discard or clean. 4. Boots. Pull off without touching outer surface. Clean if reusable. 5. Respirators and masks. Remove by straps, avoiding front contact. Wash hands and skin. Use soap and water to remove residues. What is the minimum PPE for some key pesticide activities? Mixing. Wear full PPE, gloves, goggles, aprons, respirators to minimize contact. Loading pesticides. Use long-sleeved clothing and masks. Application. Follow label PPE guidelines. Work upwind to avoid drift. Equipment cleaning. Use gloves, goggles, and masks to avoid residue exposure. Entering treated areas before REI expires. Wait for REI to expire before entering treated areas. Wear PPE as required by the label if early entry is needed. What are the main ways in which pesticides can enter the body? Skin. Avoid contact with damaged skin. Inhalation. Respirators prevent inhalation of fine particles, particularly during spraying or fogging. Oral. Prevent accidental ingestion by washing hands frequently and never using pesticide containers for food or drink storage. Ocular. Goggles protect eyes from splashes and drifting mist that could cause severe eye damage. What are some good hygiene practices to follow? Wash hands, shower, and clean protective clothing separately. Avoid wearing contaminated boots indoors. When farmers wear the right PPE, they protect their health, their family, and their future.